This is a live streaming studio. Sure, you normally use it for messaging, for checking your social media, and oh yeah, making phone calls. But all over the world, this device is all people are using to live stream. And yes, it can be that simple. In a few minutes, you'll understand why this device is all you need to share your world with the rest of the world, one live stream at a time.
Here are some things that people tell themselves when it comes to what's enough for live streaming. The biggest factor here is not the quality of the camera. It helps, sure. But what's important is whether something interesting is happening. And even more important is how you can make things interesting. The most compelling IRL streams are shot on phones, and yes, gear matters, but not nearly as much as you might think. What really matters is you showing up. You might be wondering, so what's the actual minimum required to do this? Any smartphone from the last 4 to 5 years will do nicely. However, this is the most important ingredient you'll need. Even more important than the camera. More on this in lesson 1.5. And obviously, you will need the free Live app. You set it up once and you're good to go. In short, what you need is your phone and its camera to capture the images, a signal to be able to transmit these images, and finally, a place where your live stream goes out to the world. That's the whole kit, and for the most part, it's all you'll ever need. Now, if you want to level up, you should think of the following. A clip-on mic, also called lapel mic, only around $15. A power bank. You'll need this when you start getting the hang of it and your live streams get longer and longer. A stabilizer, a gimbal, or a mini grip like this one to level up on consistency and stability for your live streams. What you don't need. Lighting rig.
Nope.
A second camera.
Nope.
These two belong in the someday maybe box. From packed festivals to street markets to intimate one-on-world broadcasts from you at home, it's all fascinating and interesting because it's all real. You are real. And that's the formula. A phone to catch it, a connection to send it, and a platform to spread the word. That's your studio. That's all you need. The lessons ahead will cover all the other details, such as getting a cleaner picture, tricks for obtaining clearer audio, making the best use of natural light, and all of the technical aspects of live streaming. But let's not forget the most important part of live streaming, you. Because nothing will happen without you, this course will also focus on how to handle yourself when live streaming, knowing what to say at all times, including when to just be quiet, how to engage your audience effectively, how to solve any issues that might happen while live streaming IRL. Because don't forget, live streaming takes place in real life, in real time. It's real life being shared with the world. This means that anything can happen. We'll cover that too, and it's easier than you think. So, as you see, the foundation is already in your hand, ready to stream live, whether you do it just for fun, or to get paid doing it on an emerging platform that pays you to share your world. We will also talk about that later in this course. But for now, give it a try.
Get your phone, open your camera, use it in default mode, no cinematic, no fancy formats or anything like that. If you want to record outside, you can hold the phone on your hand. But if you want to do it indoors, I recommend that you set it somewhere. If you don't have a tripod or a stabilizer, just set it on a surface against maybe books or furniture or something that will hold it stable in front of you. For recording, use the back camera, not the one in front, as if you were taking a selfie or doing a video call. Why? 2 reasons. First, the back camera is usually the one that has the best quality of images. That means the higher resolution. And the second reason is that if you use the back camera, you're going to get more used to looking at the lens and not at yourself. Remember, the lens, that's where your viewers are. As soon as you're ready to record, don't overthink it, hit record. Say hi, say your name, say where you are, and say one interesting thing about the place where you are, whether it's something that you can see immediately around you or something that the place reminds you of. Maybe a memory, an anecdote, anything that comes to mind. Try to keep it real and interesting for at least 30 seconds. Also, to further train your eyes to look at the lens, do 2 takes. One in portrait mode, that is vertical, and the other one in landscape mode, that means horizontal. Do 1 take of each. Don't turn your phone in the middle of the recording, okay? If you find yourself stuck, blanking out, you don't know what to say, or you are repeating yourself, that's the sign that you should stop. After you've recorded your videos, look at them. Pretend you are a viewer and be honest and objective about what you see. Take notes. Write down at least 3 things that worked for you, that you found were good, interesting, engaging, funny, or technically good. The light, the audio, the framing, etc. And also jot down at least 3 things that you feel could be improved. After you've done that, congratulations! You've just made a stream. What you did just now is a seed, a foundation of what's to come. And I promise that as you make progress through the course, every time you do this little activity, you will get better and better and better as you become ready to stream live like a pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.